Breakups don't just hurt the heart, they attack your identity. Suddenly, silence replaces good morning texts. Memories ambush you at night, and the mind asks one dangerous question: what did I do wrong? Stoicism doesn't promise to erase pain. It teaches you how to carry it with dignity. Today, you'll learn the Stoic rules after a breakup, not to suppress emotions, but to master them. If you follow these rules, you won't beg, chase, stalk, or self-destruct. You'll walk away calm, silent, and dangerous. The Stoics begin with one truth: what has happened could not have happened otherwise. A breakup is not a mistake. It is an event, neutral in itself. Pain comes from resistance, from replaying conversations, from bargaining with the past. Stoic rule number 1: do not argue with reality. Say this clearly: it ended. I accept it. Acceptance is not weakness. It is the beginning of control. Hope can be poison after a breakup. Maybe they'll come back. Maybe they just need space. Maybe if I improve, they'll regret it. Stoics call this self-deception. False hope chains you to the past and steals your future. Stoic rule: hope only for what is within your control. You cannot control their feelings. You can control your response. Let hope die so strength can live. Stoicism teaches distance from emotional triggers. Every message reopens the wound. Every profile view resets healing. No contact is not manipulation. It's self-respect. Silence is a shield. If they reach out, respond calmly. If they don't, continue walking. Stoics don't chase closure. They become it. Stoics do not suppress emotions. They refuse to perform them. Crying alone is fine. Posting quotes to get noticed is not. Suffering in silence builds strength. Broadcasting pain builds dependency. Your pain is real, but it does not need an audience. Feel it. Observe it. Let it pass. Posting blow-ups to provoke jealousy. Dating someone new to feel one. This is not power. It is reaction. Stoicism teaches the best revenge is not needing revenge. If they regret losing you, let that be their private war. Your mission is peace, not proof. When emotions are unstable, discipline becomes medicine. Wake up early. Train your body. Read philosophy. Work with intensity. Stoics rebuilt themselves through routine. Structure doesn't eliminate pain. It gives pain a place to sit. Instead of ruling your life, order the day, and the mind will follow. The hardest loss isn't them. It's who you were with them. Stoicism teaches impermanence. People change. Roles end. Identities evolve. Do not cling to an expired version of yourself. Grieve it, then let it go. You are not broken. You are becoming. No speeches, no announcements, no explanations, just progress. Stoic strength is silent. One day you'll look back, not with bitterness, but with gratitude for the discipline you built. This is the Stoic way after a breakup.